why Shopify? So, you are ready to start an online business, but you are stuck at the first fork in the road. Which platform should I use? Do I go with Shopify, Wix, or WooCommerce? Every online, Everyone online has an opinion, and let's be honest, it's overwhelming. You want a platform that's easy enough for beginners, powerful enough to grow with you, and trusted enough that you are not betting your business on something flaky. And that's where Shopify comes in. It's not just the same old platform from a few years ago. It's smarter, faster, and more scalable than ever. You get AI driven suggestions, sleek design options, and deep integrations for dropshipping, POD, and services. Whether you are building a side hustle or a full time brand, Shopify has evolved to fit any business model in today's creator economy. And this lesson will show you why Shopify still leads the pack and why now might be the best time ever to start. Let's break it down. And here is why Shopify wins now. Number one, it's built for all skill levels. You don't need to be a developer. Drag and drop editors, customizable themes, and mobile first designs help you build fast. Plus, their UI has been redesigned for simplicity plus power. Massive app ecosystem. Shopify's App Store now includes AI tools, subscription plugins, and custom funnels, and much more. You can grow your store with one click installs from live chat to loyalty programs. Think of it like Apple's App Store but for e commerce. Number three is global ready from day one. Sell internationally with Shopify markets, auto translate content, localized pricing, and offer different currencies. It's never been easier to go global, even as a solo founder. Number four is seamless payments and checkouts. Built in Shopify payments plus PayPal, Stripe, UPI, Razorpay, and more. Abandoned cart recovery, mobile optimized checkout, and customized thank you pages are all included. Number five is dropshipping and POD friendly. Native integrations with Spocket, Printful, Printify, and others. Ideal for creators, influencers, and digital hustlers. You can literally start without touching inventory. Number six is enterprise grade features for everyone. Whether you are a beginner or scaling to millions, Shopify offers built in features like custom domains, analytics dashboards, order tracking, marketing automations, and for big businesses, there is Shopify Plus. Number seven is AI is everywhere. Shopify now includes AI assistants that can write product descriptions, suggest SEO titles, recommend prices based on market trends. It's like having a mini marketing team built into your dashboard. Now, there are dozens of platforms out there, but few offer what Shopify does. Simplicity plus scale plus smart tools. It's not just for products, it works for services, subscriptions, dropshipping, and digital goods too. So, if you're still wondering where to start, Shopify is not just a safe choice, it's a smart one. So, that's all. I want you to drop a quick note in the course discussion on why did you choose Shopify. Let's share ideas and inspire each other. See you in the next lesson.